Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook pixel. Via this way, the pixel will be invisible in the list of pixels you can use when posting an ad on the Ads Manager. Another option is to delete the code of pixel on your website. In case you use such platforms as Wix, Shopify, etc. to inject the code, you only need to type the pixel's number in the dedicated position in your dashboard of your site. Once you're finished deleting pixel from your site, you may feel confused when seeing it on the Facebook Ads Manager. Don't worry, this doesn't mean pixel is still running on your website. Pixel is completely disabled on your site. It is visible but not working. It cannot keep track of visitors' action or any analytics of your advertisement and your site. If you are still annoyed with it, you can follow the guide on this video to remove Pixel from your Facebook Ads account. First, open Business Settings. The very first step is to enter your Facebook Business Manager and then choose Business Settings. Step 2. Open Pixels. Then you select Data Sources on the left bar of the screen and you will see the Pixels button below. So, click on it. Step 3. Select the pixels you want. In the Pixel section, you will see a list of pixels in your account. So, what you need to do is to click on the pixel you want to get rid of. Step 4. Choose the asset link with the pixel. When click on the pixel, its information will be displayed to you next to the column of pixels. Then, you will see a row with 3 sections: People, Partner, and Connect Assets. Choose Connected Assets. Then, step 5, delete the connected assets. At the right bottom of the connected assets, you will see the icon of the trash. Click on it, and the pixel will be deleted from your ads account. In short, Facebook has succeeded in spreading its popularity to people around the world, as well as making it hard to escape themselves from this interesting platform with huge networks. Yet, nothing is impossible. By following this video, you can save yourself from being tracked by the Facebook Pixel service and enjoy your life with great privacy. In case you're looking for a way to deactivate the pixel in your business account on Facebook, these 7 steps will be valuable references for you. Perhaps you may find out that apart from deleting the pixel from your website, it is not easy to get the pixel out of your business manager. However, it's hard, but it's worth it. Following these steps in the pixel will be deactivated or not functioning, which help you and your fans ensure that they will be less likely to be tracked by the pixel service of Facebook and experience better privacy protection. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.